Previous assessment was attempted from the rooftop. We are down in the crawl space to complete the inspection. Could not initially get past our two 90-degree turns here, so we will be going through this access to bypass that. Cannot get through this access due to severe buildup of grease and oils apparently at this location, preventing forward camera movement. Access is also going to prevent testing of flow throughout the line, as once some of that debris is more heavily removed, this will continue to back out, and this is the only area that we can open for access down in the crawl space. So I will recommend this 9090 for replacement. And then the line can most likely be scoped from the toilet. Method of replacement will be to take it back to about this turn here, drop the line down at a sharp 22 or 45 degree angle, and at that point head directly towards our cast iron, which will be cut right before the foundation wall here, making a nice gradual drop instead of the current sharp 90 degree.